Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today just doing these videos back to back, trying to create my videos for my Julie netting binder that I have, my art journal that's full of Julie netting layouts. And so I've used my Julie nettings in other ways, but this binder is just dedicated to 48 different layouts because it's 48 different pages. And so I am on number 45, and I am determined to show you all of these. Hopefully the videos will be up before the end of the year. But I want to show you that I started with this 2016 Dollar Tree calendar. And as you know, I'm a fussy cutting queen. I will fussy cut out anything. I fussy cut out this bike. I fussy cut out these letters. And it says, life is like riding a bicycle. In order to keep your balance, you must keep moving. So I fussy cut out all of that, and I decided to use that in a layout. And I chose to use Carter. He is hanging from a tree. So that is who I chose to use, or from whatever you want him to be hanging from, in this tower. So that's the stamp. So what I did was, I was going to use my Cricut to create a tree, and in the process also was going to do something for someone at work. And since I've been reorganizing my room, my smart self moved my cord. My Cricut will no longer wirelessly work. I have to plug it in to my laptop to work. And I think that's because I'm on a Mac. I always had this problem. But it works with it plugged in. Without, I can't work. So I haven't been able to use my Cricut. So I had to freehand make a tree. And I just freehand made some grass real quick, just a little piece. But anyway, I just used some background paper from this block of pad paper that I got from Tuesday morning, and some brown cardstock and some green cardstock. Stamped him out and fussy cut him and colored him out with some Spectrum Noir. And I put, life is like riding a bicycle, you must keep moving. And I just used the brown craft cardstock right here just to ground the bike, used it for the tree. And I just traced around it with my brown pit pen just to give it some little bit of depth, to make it pop off the page a little bit so you can see it a little bit more, because if not it kind of sinks in. And in the background, this green paper has like a little print on it as well, so you can see it. But I'm just trying to use them all in different types of layouts. So this one, instead of being vertical, is horizontal. And I just thought it was a nice, cute way to use your calendar pieces, to fussy cut them out, and to create a layout. I was going to do something originally different. This tree should have been down here, but a whole nother story. I didn't like the way my tree was, and I just cut it up, made it shorter. So, but it works for me. So anyway, hopefully that does inspire you to use some of your stamps, pull them out. I know most of us have more than one. Even if you have one, you can take that one stamp on an adventure and just have it through multiple layouts, and that one little stamp could just go through different scenes and see how many different scenes you could do, because you'd be surprised what you could do at one. But anyway, so that is what I made for this one today, number 45. I'm on my way down to finishing up number 48, and I will be done with the book, and then I will do a flip through. So hopefully you'll pull out your Julie netting stamps. And I will have my links below where you can see these pictures on my Instagram, my Pinterest, and all of that. So I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.